Ernest Hemingway came here originally in 1928. He came here to take delivery of a car. It was late and he fell in love with the island. Pauline, his wife, found this house. It was all boarded up and dilapidated, and she called it a haunted house. When they first moved in 1931, they had to repair everything in this house and bring it to the state it is today. But she was a fashion editor for Vogue magazine and did a fine job with this home. The pool was built in 1937. Pauline was in charge of putting in the pool. $20,000 is what the pool cost, only 6 years after they paid $8,000 for the entire estate.
Where would you say Hemingway spent most of his time when he was in the house?
Well, of course, he slept in the bedroom and ate in the dining room, but Pauline had actually decorated and was in charge of turning the hayloft in the building behind us into his first formal home office. And from there, he wrote 70% of his lifetime works.
All right, Dave, tell us something about Hemingway that the majority of us will not know.
It wouldn't matter that he was king of the hill here in Key West, world famous writer. If you're in need and he saw that, he would lend a hand.
The Ernest Hemingway Home is a national literary landmark. It's open to the public as a museum 365 days a year from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m.